Michael Grinder, still talking about charisma, the how-to of charisma. Here's what you want to know. If someone can see you, whether you're in person or even distant learning, what you do with your hands when you are talking makes all the difference in the world. Example, if I sit here and I talk with you, and I have long pauses, and I have no hand gestures at all, you really wonder if I'm pausing because I don't know what I'm going to say next. But if I do hand gestures all the time and I do no pausing at all, I become an incessant talker. An incessant talker, you're not going to come across as very intelligent. So if you're going to be someone who wants to be seen as charismatic, number one, use your hands when you talk. Number two, every time you pause, and you have to pause to be charismatic. As you pause, wherever the hand is, it stays there until you start talking again. So it's just talk with hands, freeze the hands, talk with hands. It's a huge, simple thing that people will see you as intelligent, competent, and confident. Intelligent, competent, and confident. Those are synonyms for being charismatic. Michael Grinder, we just finished talking about the idea of when you are talking, talk with your hands, freeze the hands, don't move them until you talk again. But does that mean that you can only be charismatic when you're talking? No. You can be charismatic when you're not talking. How? I'm going to go sideways so you can watch. If I stand like this and you watch me, can I in silence come across as being charismatic? The strong suggestion is have an arm, forearm, parallel to the ground. It looks good. If you want, you can have both arms parallel to the ground. Don't interlace them with your fingers. Lay them on top of each other. Why? So that if you do switch from just listening to talking, the hand will come out. Whereas if you interlace, it's harder to get them out. So lay one set of fingers inside the palm of the other one and just bring it out when you talk. 3 positions you want to have. Make sure that you either have your hands at your side, have both arms parallel to the ground, or a combination. I prefer the second two, because if your hands are at your side and you go from listening to talking, it's off. Whereas this is so easy to come from listening to talking. Please avoid the following. Please stay away from fig leaves. It just doesn't look good. Please stay away from hands in the pockets and stop rocking if you would. Please stay away from hands behind your back. You want to make sure your hands are either at your side, parallel to the ground, or a combination. Charisma. Practice how to be silent and still come across as competent, confident, and intelligent.